Well, good morning, everyone, team.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good
Thank
morning.
you.
Good morning.
Thank you. So, team, I'm going to start the session for today and I'm keeping everyone in mute. Okay. Yeah. So, first of all, a warm welcome to everyone to TrioTech software trainings. Today, we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications training. And myself is Kumar team, and I will be the trainer for this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. So before moving on to today's agenda, let me introduce about myself briefly, like who I am, what is the experience I'm holding currently, since when onwards I'm working on this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, and how many projects that I have been involved in this particular applications team. So as I told again, myself is Kumar and I'm having total 12 plus years of industry experience into this entire IT industry team. And out of this 12 years, since last 7 years, I have been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application suite. And out of these last 7 years, I got an opportunity to work for close to 10 plus projects team. When I say projects, I have been part of different types of projects in these applications. Like I worked on implementation projects and I worked on support projects, testing projects. And when I say implementation, I have been part of upgradation projects like any client currently using the existing ERPs like PeopleSoft, SAP, eBusiness Suite from their existing ERP usage to the upgradation to Oracle applications. I've been part of that type of projects team. And I also have multi-legislative exposure in this applications team. Whatever the clients or the projects that I worked for, they are from different parts across the globe. Some of the clients are from United States, and I worked for the clients from UK, Finland, and also the Middle East localizations like UAE, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia. The clients are from these different countries team. So I can say that I have been working on the projects where the clients coming from across different countries, and I have multi-country legislative exposure on these applications also team. And I'm also a certified Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application stream implementation specialist. And I also part of Oracle University trainings as well. I'm the trainer who registered officially with Oracle University, and I do conduct the trainings for them. And also I'm a corporate trainer who conducted several corporate trainings for the employees to in their organizations team. So this is about a brief overview about myself. So today I cannot take one-to-one introduction from you. Once the demo class completed, I will be having a one-to-one interaction with you, and we will understand what is your current requirement and what you are expecting from us in this particular course. Okay. So let me move on to the today's agenda team, like what we planned for, what we are going to discuss in today's session. Okay. So if you see today's agenda team, first I will be talking about introduction to ERP. We will see what is ERP and why we have to understand this concept of ERP team. Why? Because any individual who learning this particular course, they have to understand our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications will come under ERP category or ERP family. So I will explain here team by keeping freshers in mind what is ERP and how many types of ERPs that are available in the system and what are the different ERP products that are available like our Oracle applications. That we will see here team. And then I will talk about what is Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. What is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application is, and when Oracle introduced this product in the market, and what are the routes that are laid down by the Oracle in order to come up by this product called Oracle Fusion Applications. The entire introduction about the Fusion Applications team. And prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the existing ERPs that are available in the market and how Oracle uh, developed over the period to come up by this product. That all we will see here, team. And then we will talk about on-premise versus cloud deployment option. What is that, team? See, whenever a customer buy this product from Oracle in order to use in their in-house operations team, how the product will be delivered. I mean, if you want to buy a mobile, you will go to the shop, you will pay the amount, and you will get the product delivered. It's a physical product. But coming to this Fusion Applications team, whenever any company buys the product from Oracle organization, how the product will be delivered, in which form the product will be delivered. Within the Oracle product team, we have two deployment options available, on-premise and a cloud deployment option. What is the difference between these two? I will explain here, team. And again, within the cloud deployment option, we have three sub options we have, team, like SaaS model, IaaS model, and PaaS model, like software as a service deployment model or infrastructure as a service, and PaaS, platform as a service. What are the three sub deployments we have within the cloud offering? That also I will explain you here, team. And then I will talk about types of companies involved, means who are the typical players in this particular Oracle applications or any software product you take in the market. Typically, who are the people involved in that application team? Like who will be selling this product, who is going to buy this product and why they are going to buy this product, and who are going to implement this product for that particular client. Because many of you having a doubt, Kumar, when I learn this course, where I'm going to place, I mean, in which type of companies I'm going to start my career, and what are the different job roles that I'm going to perform, like kind of designations or role that you are going to work for. That all I will talk in types of companies involved here, team. And post that, I will talk about Fusion environment releases. Means whenever any application we are talking about, particularly any software we are going to talk about, team, every software will have the release versions. Like in our mobiles also, if you are using an Apple phone or an Android phone, you will have a software versions upgrading on a timely manner from 4.5 to 5.5 or from iOS 9.1 to 10.5. Like that, the software versions will get updated, right? In the same way, in Oracle Fusion applications also, we have release versions team. So here I will talk about that release versions. When Oracle launched this product in the market, what is the release version they came up with? And we are in 2023, May 27th today. Till date, what is the version that we have? How the application evolving over the period? And version to version, what kind of enhancement in the application Oracle coming up with? That all I will talk about here, team, in the Fusion environment releases. And then we will see what are the modules that we are having in this HCM. So many of you, when you contacted me, people used to ask me, Kumar, in this HCM, what is the entire subject we have? I mean, many people telling that functional, technical. So what is functional? What is technical? First of all, what are the total components we have in this HCM module? What are the modules we have? What comes under functional? What comes under technical? And here only, I will also tell you what prerequisites are mandatory to be known in order to understand this particular course. Okay. Some of you again asking me, do we require any coding background to learn this course? Like any SQL language I want, or any C++, Java, Python, or PLSQL. any kind of or any sort of language should I learn before understanding this particular course or before training on this particular course? That all queries I will be addressing here in the modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud team. And then I will talk about Oracle Knowledge Repository, means certain standard documents with respective to this Oracle applications. Oracle giving to the open world in a open source, means we no need to register anywhere, we no need to buy from anywhere team. Oracle standard documentation, how to access in the browser, that navigations, that materials, what we can find in the regular Google or whatever the regular sources, open sources, that I will introduce you to Oracle Knowledge Repository. And then we will talk about Oracle certification process. Like again, a question to some of you. When I'm learning this course, do I require to do certification mandatorily in this, like SAP or Workday asking for certifications? In Oracle also, do I have to do it mandatorily? If so, if I have to do certification, what is the examination pattern? What is the cost incurred? And from where I have to prepare for that? That all I will address here in certification process team. And finally, we will conclude the demo session today with why to choose TrioTech software trainings. Like what are the services that you are going to get from us? This is what the agenda that I planned for today's demo team. So let me quickly move on to the very first topic for today, that is introduction to ERP. So what is this ERP stands for team? Let me go to the next slide. What is this ERP stands for? ERP is an acronym that stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. What do you mean by ERP? ERP is nothing but team, a business process management software. What is that? In a simple word, if I have to tell, ERP means it's a business process management software. What is that, Kumar? See, team, any company that you know in the market you take, starting from an MNC to the basic company, any company that you take in the market. Okay, let's take some of the companies of India. Let's say we have Tata, we have Reliance, we have L&T, or we have Cisco, Apple, Amazon, Flipkart, any company you take, team, any company in the market across the globe, in a particular company, there will be different business processes involved, team. Any company you take, there will be different business practices or business processes involved. Like they have their human resource department or human resource business area. So in every company, what the human resource department people will be dealing team, the entire manpower management in that organization, employee management will be handled by them, like recruiting the employees, maintaining the employees, their leaves, their salary processing, their performance evaluation. That all the HR people will do. Then in every company, there will be finance wing. What the finance people in a company will do, team, they are responsible for entire money management or amount management in the organization team, like how much that a company receiving as part of the receivables, what company paying towards the payable, their balance sheets, their costings, everything the finance people will maintain. Then if your company is a manufacturing company, then supply chain procurement business areas will be there, like raw materials procuring, converting them to finished goods and selling them to the outside market. That will be taken care by supply chain procurement and sales and marketing wings. So in a company team, in order to run their business, there are several business processes involved in every company team. There will be HR wing, there will be finance wing, there will be supply chain, procurement, sales, marketing. All these are different business processes or different departments or wings which will be there in every company. Now the question is, team, in order to perform all these business activities in the organization, that company requires a modular tech-based software team. Okay. For example, we will talk about our human resource because our HCM product is related to the HR suite. So let's come to human resource business area team. In any company, as I'm telling, the human resource department people are responsible of entire employee management in that organization. So they will recruit the employees, they will maintain the employees' data, their leaves, their salaries. In order to conduct all these things, they require a software, right? Where they will record the employees' data, where the leave information of the employees will be recorded, or where the salary processing will happen in the organization team. They require a software or an application in order to perform all these business activities team, right? So ERP products in the market are nothing but the business process management softwares that are available in the market. One such product that is provided by Oracle or owned by Oracle is our Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. So what is an ERP? It is a business process management software that manage and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, commerce, reporting, manufacturing, and human resource. In an instance team, when I say different business processes, all these to be integrated together. They are interdependent activities team. So in order to conduct all these business operations in the organization, that particular company will require a modular tech-based softwares or the applications team. And they are called as ERP products. ERP is a family or a category team. Under that ERP family, there are several products in the market available. One among them is our HCM Oracle Cloud Applications that is owned by Oracle Corporation. But some of the other ERPs you can see here team. SAP, that is also one of the ERP product in the market. Salesforce, then Infor, Blackboard, Northgate, Pegasus, or Workday, PeopleSoft. These all are the different individual ERP products available in the market team. Okay. So one such product that is offered by Oracle is our Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications. Now here you might be getting a question. Kumar, how in the olden days the business conducted? See team, in traditional way of doing the businesses, when IT is not there in the market or technology is not there in the market, everything used to be done manually. Like we used to maintain in the books, we used to write in the books, or we used to, or even some of the companies now also the small basic startup companies who cannot afford this software team in order to use in their business activities, they will use it manually, like they will use in the Excel's, Word, whatever that they will use it. But with the introduction of this ERP concept team, many tech-based software applications came into the market. Now many ERPs are available in the market team, but the cream level, the top level ERPs, if you have to name, Oracle is one among them, which will be widely used across the globe by different companies in the market. That is about introduction to the ERP team. Our Fusion applications are part of ERP family. And then team, if I move on to what is Fusion applications? Like if anyone asks you, or if anyone asks me, Kumar, what is Fusion applications? I can best describe Fusion applications into three categories team. I will tell that Fusion applications can be best described as they're built on open standard based platform. They're built on best business processes and they can be deployed through selection of options. So what is this built on open standard based platform team? See, whatever the components that you are looking here team, Oracle SOA, service oriented architecture, WebLogic server, JDeveloper, OBIEE or Web Center portal, enterprise manager, identity management. These are the different individual technical tools available in the market team. If you want to build any application, a software application, if you want to develop or if you want to build, several technical tools are required team, which will be working in the background or in the backend schema of that application. And Oracle applications were built on these individual technical tools in the market team. WebLogic Server, OBIEE, JDeveloper, Web Center Content. These are for your reference purpose. Okay, these are the different technical tools which are used in the market to develop Oracle Fusion applications team. They built on these all tools, and then they built on best business processes. What I mean by this, they built on best business processes. Here, whatever you are seeing team, Oracle e-business suite, EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. What are all these, Kumar? See, if I have to explain this built on best business processes, I have to go to this slide team. Oracle Fusion evaluation path. So whatever that you are looking at here, you can see them here. See, Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards. What are all these things? These all are the individual ERP products available in the market prior to the Fusion application. Even some of them are available now also team. Oracle e-business suite is Oracle's own ERP product before Fusion applications team. Then PeopleSoft is one ERP product owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. Then JD Edwards, Siebel, they are also the ERP products in the market which are owned by their respective companies. But the question is team. Okay, the question is team. Prior to 2006, I am talking about. These all are the, prior to 2006, these all are the individual ERP products available in the market at that point of time, owned by different corporations team. As I told, EBS is Oracle's own product at that point of time. PeopleSoft is one product which is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. Then JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards one corporation. Then Siebel is owned by Siebel. Like that team, these all are the individual ERP products available prior to 2016. But the question here is, or the concern here is, at that point of time, none of the products which are available in the market are very stable in all the business areas team. They are not stable in all the business areas. Okay. If you take Oracle e-business suite, Oracle e-business suite is very matured, very stable product in the financials business area. But EBS is not good at HRMS or other business areas team. It is very matured, very stable, and very successful in the financial business area. Then if you take PeopleSoft, PeopleSoft is very good at HCM, our HRMS related area team. Then JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials business area. Then Siebel is very good at CRM area, customer relationship management area. Then Hyperion is very good at reporting. But team, none of the ERP products at that point of time are very matured, very stable and successful in all the business areas. Every product used to have their own strong business success team, but not in every business area. So what Oracle did at that point of time, in the year 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies team. Anyhow, e-business suite is Oracle's existing product. Keep aside. A part of that, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards World, Siebel, Hyperion, and some other tools. Oracle acquired all these existing ERP products in the market with $18 billion acquisition team. In the year 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies. And what Oracle did team, Oracle, that's why I have mentioned, Oracle Fusion applications were built on best business processes. Means what? At that point of time, whatever the best products in the market, Oracle acquired them. And Oracle taken the knowledge of financials from e-business suite and HRMS knowledge, HCM knowledge from PeopleSoft, procurement and financials knowledge from JD Edwards, CRM knowledge from Siebel. Like that team, who are the best products in the market at that point of time? Oracle acquired them, studied in and out about the products, and they have taken the best knowledge from them, and they started building the Oracle Fusion applications team. So in year 2006, Oracle acquired all these products, and in the year 2011, Oracle officially announced Oracle Fusion Cloud applications into the open world. So if anyone asks you when Fusion applications introduced in the market, officially Fusion applications introduced in the market in 2011 by Oracle team. Okay. So that is about built on best business processes. Now we can say proudly team, Oracle Fusion Cloud applications are very stable and matured product in all the business areas team. You take HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, procurement, PPM or CRM, any business area you take, Oracle Fusion applications are very matured and stable in all the business areas. And that is the reason team, currently in the market, rapid customer adoptions to this product is happening. That is the reason many projects are there in the market, and that is the reason in turn lot of opportunities for the candidates who learning this technology is there. Okay, so that is what built on best business processes. So by this point of time, some of you people might be triggering with a question. What is that? Kumar, you are telling 2011 Fusion applications introduced. Is it that old? Is it 12 years old applications? Do we have demand now? See team, 2011 Oracle announced that they are coming with Fusion applications team. But from 2015 and 2016-17 onwards only, the actual usability or the penetration of this application into the market happens. So since last 5 to 6 years only team, the highest peaks that we are seeing in the market in this application, the rapid adoption by the companies taking up team. And whenever you learning any product or any software technology or a tool, we have to be on a very specific, we have to keep particular specific things team, nothing but how long the applications will be demanded in the market. So if I'm learning now in 2023, what will be the maximum shelf life for me to be in this technology as a software engineer? Any ERP product you take team, not only Oracle, it might be SAP, it might be Workday or anything. ERPs or the beauty in the ERP products will be team, they will have very long shelf life. For the next 20 to 25 years in the market, these particular products are going to be there. So till the time business exists in the market, ERPs will be their team. So you might be in Oracle or some other ERP, whatever it is. So till the business exists in the market, till the people exist in the world, that ERPs will be continued team. So we'll be having a long shelf life in the applications, what we are learning now. And then team, deployed through selection of options. What is this deployed through selection of options? See, now the question is team, whenever a customer, okay, now a client or a customer want to buy this product from Oracle in order to use in their in-house HR operations team, because ours is HCM product in the Oracle Fusion applications team, which will be dealing with the HR business practices. So any company who want to buy this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, they will be using this in their in-house HR practices team. Now, whenever a company buy this product from Oracle, how the Fusion applications will be delivered to them, that we have to talk here in deployed through selection of options. Let me go to this slide team. We have on-premise versus cloud deployment option team. So whenever a customer buy this product from Oracle, they will be getting the options of choose between on-premise and cloud. But team, till certain extent only Oracle offered in on-premise and cloud. But now, if you ask me, in 2023 currently team, Oracle stopped on-premise selling of the application. Now Fusion applications are purely in cloud model only. But let us understand what is the difference between these two deployment options. If a customer go with on-premise model, how the application will be delivered. If a customer going with cloud-based subscription, how the application will be delivered. See, team, the question, how can we access Fusion applications? Cloud or on-premise model? On-premise model, team, if you see the word on-premise or on-premises, nothing but, team, in the client's office premises. In the on-premise model, it is a traditional deployment offering, team. Okay, it is a old traditional deployment offering. Means what? In a on-premise deployment option, customer have to buy the product from Oracle. Along with the product, they should also buy the server from Oracle, and they have to install that server in their office premises. Server also Oracle will deliver to the customer, and that will be installed in the client's office premises. And also, customer should have their own data center, and customer should install that application into that particular server's data center. And customer has to maintain their internal IT team like DBA administrator, system network engineers, security administrator, everything, end-to-end maintenance of the application, security of the application, data of the application, client has to maintain or the customer has to maintain. On-premise model is the old traditional model of application team. But counter to that, we have something called cloud-based model. What do you mean by cloud-based model, team? Any service that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud. What is cloud model, team? Any service that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud. The best example, team, Google Gmail. How you will use the Gmail in your laptops or in your PC, team? Do you install any software for that? Nothing, right? Just you can go to Google Chrome, you can search with the keyword Gmail, and then you will be able to enter into that Gmail application. You can give user ID and password, and you can log in into that Gmail application, and you can start sending your emails. Anywhere you are installing that software in your system, are you maintaining anything about that application? Nothing. Just it's a cloud-based application, team. So any service that is hosted over the internet, customer nothing to do with, is called as cloud-based deployment option, team. Now, Oracle Fusion applications are purely available in the cloud-based model, team. Means when a customer buy the product, team, application will be delivered just in the form of URL. For example, I will show you like this, team. This is the URL. Okay. Just I can copy paste that URL, the application link, and I can give a search. Now see, my screen is loading and I land upon what, team? Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. Am I installing anywhere the software in my laptop? No, it's just a web link. When I copy pasted in my browser and I'm searching, I'm able to enter into the application. See, user ID and password. So my user ID and password I auto saved in my desktop, team. That's why they are coming. Once you give user ID and password here, you click on sign in. See, the screen is loading. I will enter into the Oracle Applications team. Now see, my screen is loading and I'm entering into the application. This is the Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. So anywhere, did I install this software in the system? No. Anywhere I am running this software in my laptops, PCs? Nothing. This is the example of cloud-based model, team. This is the example of cloud-based model, team. Any service that is hosted over the internet. So now see, whenever a customer buy the product from Oracle in order to use in their in-house operations team, the application will be delivered in the form of this URL on a cloud-based model, team. That is what cloud-based deployment option, team. Now again, within the cloud also team, we have three types of subscriptions that Oracle offers to the people in the market. I mean, companies in the market. What are they? Okay, Kumar, Oracle applications you are telling are on a cloud-based model. Then the next question is team, who maintains it? The next question is team, who maintains it? Oracle or my company? So see team, okay, cloud-based application is our Oracle Fusion applications team. But again, when a customer buy this product from Oracle, what customer want? Who want to maintains the application team? So either Oracle or my company. Oracle will give two options to the customer team. My company means next question team. My company means client who buying the product. Next question. Does your company have own cloud data center? Because team, if you want to maintain the application, you have to take the application from Oracle. You have to install that in your own data center, or you can take as a lease from the Oracle the data center, and you have to install that in that, and everything team you have to maintain about the application. Okay. So next question, does your company have cloud data center? If yes, then install Fusion apps in your company data center. If no, like to use Oracle data center on a paid basis, Oracle also will sell the data center to maintain their application. Buy IaaS license from Oracle. See, so IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. Means what mean? In the cloud-based model also, if client going with IaaS model, along with the application, infrastructure to maintain that application, like data center, server, everything customer have to buy along with the product team. So Oracle, along with the applications, will also give the infrastructure to maintain that application to the clients or the companies who buying the product. So why Kumar IaaS model clients will go? Basically, if anyone want to go here, team, entire product Oracle will deliver. Now the customer can do whatever he want to do. Any sort of customizations, any sort of new application developments or redevelopments, whatever the features Oracle giving in the application, client don't want to use, they can redesign the application team. In the IaaS model, entire application designing, redesigning if they want, customizing the application, anything they can perform in the IaaS model team. And IaaS model is very costly subscription to the customers, because along with the application, Oracle also selling infrastructure tools to maintain that application team. So that is IaaS model of subscription. If not IaaS, then what? The cloud applications, who maintains it? Oracle should be maintaining it. Let's client want Oracle only to maintain that application. That also Oracle will do. Then next question team. Do we need application alone? Then yes, buy SaaS application from Oracle. Then no, we don't want application alone. Then what you need? We also need a platform and tools to create applications and services. Then buy both SaaS and PaaS license from Oracle. By default team, whenever any company want to buy this product from Oracle, the application will be sold with a SaaS subscription team. SaaS means software as a service. In SaaS license, standard Oracle developed application will be delivered with the standard functionalities, standard features, what Oracle designed the product. The standard application will be delivered to them team in SaaS license. So by default, any company buying these Oracle applications in order to use in their in-house HR operations team, by default application will be delivered with the SaaS license. But on top of that, my client also want some additional technical tools in order to customize the application team. Then along with SaaS license, customer should also subscribe for PaaS. In PaaS team, it stands for platform as a service. Along with the application team, certain platforms and tools Oracle will give, like any integrations if client want to do from Oracle system to third party system. Then there is one PaaS application Oracle came up with called Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, or VBCS, Visual Builder Cloud Service, or PCS, Process Cloud Service, or OSC, Oracle Analytics Cloud. So these are the additional technical tools which will be used for customizing the application team. In that case, along with the SaaS, customers will also buy PaaS license from Oracle. But let's say my client is telling, Kumar, we are using only standard functionalities. We don't need to customize anything on top of what you are providing. I mean, Oracle is providing. Then okay, buy SaaS license team. It's very cheaper. Okay. Compared to SaaS, PaaS will be a bit costlier. Compared to PaaS, IaaS will be more costlier because here entire infrastructure company is giving to you. Here, some additional tools company is giving to you, Oracle is giving. But in SaaS license team, nothing. Standard application Oracle will give. You can start using the application for your HR practices team. The maintenance of the application, patching of the application, upgradation, security, everything will be taken care by Oracle. Companies no need to bother about anything. Everything will be maintained by Oracle team. But the standard product will be delivered. They can start using them in the system, in their organization. So there are 3 deployment offerings within the cloud model that Oracle is selling the license team. Whatever the company want as per their business requirement, they will choose accordingly that particular subscription model team. Right? This is the difference between on-premise versus cloud deployment option team. Now, if I go to the next slide, you can see them, the deployment options. Any software or an application, if it has to be run in the front-end team, these all are to be required to be maintained. Like application is required, data, runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization, server, storage, networking. These all components required or works together in order to run any application in the front-end team. Now you can see in the 3 deployment options, a part of on-premise. In on-premise, everything client has to maintain, customer has to maintain. So some components you seeing in blue color team, you manage, and some components you are seeing in orange color, the legend if you see, other manages. Other manages means the vendor, nothing but Oracle will manage. You manage means as a customer, you have to manage team. See, in SaaS license, software as a service, all these things are maintained by whom? Other manage. Everything is in orange. Oracle will maintain team on behalf of the customers. They will just buy the product. They will start using the product for their requirement team in their in-house HR practices. Everything will maintained by Oracle. But in PaaS, if you see team, application and data will be maintained by you. Means as a company who buying the product, that company will maintain. And other components like networking, storage, server, virtualizations, these things will maintained by Oracle. If you come to infrastructure as a service team, application, data, runtime, middleware, operating system, these components company only will maintain team. Then virtualization, storage, networking, these components Oracle will maintain on behalf of the client. So in which license, what components who have to maintain? For our knowledge purpose, I have mentioned this slide here team. Okay. This is only at the high level understanding team. Whenever you go for interview, no one will ask you, what is the subscription your client purchased it from Oracle? No. That will be usually maintained at the very higher level. We will be not dealing with that levels in the initial phase team. Once you are more expertise, you have more than 10, 15 years, you've been promoted in the project management or project manager or at higher levels, you will be involved in these discussions along with the client when they want to buy the license from Oracle team. Okay. Next, we have to talk about team types of companies involved in this product. See, this is the slide which we are going to talk not only with respective to Oracle applications team, any software or any product in the market you take team. These are the typical type of companies involved in the application usability team. What are they? Let me go to the spreadsheet and let me explain you, team. Okay. Types of companies. Types of companies in Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. What we are going to discuss here, team, in types of companies in Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, team. Okay, we have typically three types of companies, team. What are they? One is service provider. One is service provider or service providing company. And then we have team client or the customer. Okay, we have one more called client or the customer. Okay, since the demo started, I'm using the word frequently, client or customer. We have to know who is here. Then team, we have something called consulting companies. So typically, these are the three types of companies which will be involved in any of the applications in the market, team. Who is the service provider? Service provider means company, okay, who sells the product. Company who sells the product is called as service provider. Example, team, our Oracle Fusion applications are owned by whom? Oracle Corporation. Correct? So Oracle Corporation is the service provider. Even you can call it as vendor also, team. He is a vendor who's selling the product. Okay, in the market, Oracle Fusion Cloud applications are sold by whom? Example, Oracle Corporation. Some of the other companies also, team, Oracle will allow to sell their product. Like example, team, you want to buy an iPhone, okay, or a mobile phone, team. Let's take up a brand Apple. Where you can get that Apple, team? Directly, you can buy from Apple Store. At the same time, in Big C, in Lot Mobiles or in Bajaj Electronics, we have the other vendors also, right, who are partnered with Apple. So like that, team, Oracle Fusion applications also directly Oracle can sell, or Oracle partnered companies will be there. For some of the IT companies, Oracle will give their partnership like Oracle Platinum Partner, Silver Partner, Gold Partner, like that. Even that companies also can sell the product. But ultimately, whose product is Oracle Fusion applications, team? Oracle's, that is. So service provider or vendor company who is providing or who sells the product is service provider. Here, team, example, let's say Oracle Corporation selling the product. Who is the client or customer, team? Client means what? Customer means what? Company who buys the product. Who buys the product and use in their in-house business operations. In-house business operations. This is called as client or the customer, team. This is called as client or customer, team. What is that? Company who buys the product and use in their in-house business operations. Example, team, any companies you can take in the market. Let's say Tata Group, or let's take Reliance, or let's say Apple, okay, or let's say Amazon, Cisco. Any company you take, team, who want to buy this product from Oracle in order to use in their in-house business operations. That companies are called as client or customer. Who is the client to this product or customer to this product? The company who buy the product from the service provider and use in their in-house business operations, team. So they are called as client or customer. Now let's suppose, team, for quite some time, let's assume Tata Group, which is a very well-known Indian company to all of us. Let's say Tata Group buying this application from Oracle because they want to implement or they want to use this ERP application in their in-house business operations team. Now, what Tata Group will do, they will go to Oracle and they will buy the product. But Tata is not having, forget about TCS quite a while. Any company you take, team, every company won't have their own IT wing. Okay, Tata you take, they bought the license from Oracle, but they don't know how to implement that product according to their business requirement. They don't know how to configure that system before using that in their day-to-day activities, how to configure or implement that system as per their business requirement. Then what this client or the customer company will do, they will reach out to the consulting companies in the market. These are the companies who will implement the product to the customer is called consulting companies, so-called IT companies in the market. You take Deloitte, you take Tech Mahindra, Techem, or you take CTS, Cognizant, or you can take Capgemini, okay, anything, Wipro, Infosys, whatever it is, all the IT companies or software companies, we will call them as consulting companies, team. Companies who will implement the product to the customer. Now, the customer buying the license from Oracle, the vendor selling the product, and the customer bought it. Customer want that product to be implemented as per their business requirement. So the customer will reach out to the consulting companies team and they will give their project to their consulting companies. And these IT companies in the market will be implementing, configuring the system as per their business requirement team. That is a project these consulting companies will receive. Now, where we are going to be part of, Kumar, once I learn this course, if I have to start my career in this, where I will be placed in all these companies team, typically you will be working in these consulting companies. Typically, you will be working in these consulting companies as a consultants or a software engineers on Oracle Fusion HCM cloud team. Now, coming to the job profiles, what we have in this technology. So we have team, the job designations in the market like consultant, okay, then analyst, okay, analyst, then associate, engineer, okay, etc. like that team. Company to company, the designations will be changing. So you will be working as a consultant for Oracle Fusion HCM, analyst for Oracle Fusion HCM, associate of Oracle Fusion HCM, or engineer of Oracle Fusion HCM. So the designations from company to company that you are going to work will be different team. But your role or your place in the companies will be here team. In the consulting companies, you are going to be working as a software employees or software engineers on the technology of Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. Now, within this, how we have technical roles and functional roles, I will talk in the modules of Oracle HCM when we are going to talk in next 15 minutes team. Okay. So this is about types of companies who will be involved. So who is a client or customer, we understood right now. And who will be the consulting companies, what will be their role, we understood. And who is the vendor or the service provider company, what is that role, we understood team. Now, let's move on to Fusion environment releases team. So when Fusion applications introduced in the market, I told team, in the year 2011, Oracle introduced this product in the market. What is the version that Oracle came up during that time, you know team? R1, release 1. Since then, now we are in 2023, application got evolved team. Right now, the latest version of the Fusion applications is release 13. What is the latest version of our Fusion applications team? It is release 13. So in the year 2011, Oracle introduced these applications in the market team. They came up with the version number as R1. Then since then it moved to R2, R3, R5, R9. And now team, the Fusion applications are in the version of release 13. And I was telling you on-premise and cloud deployment option. Just give me 1 second, team. Just 1 second, I will be back. Okay. So I was talking about on-premise and cloud deployment option, team. From release 1.2, okay, from release 1.2, release 9, okay, Oracle provided the applications both in on-premises and cloud deployment options team. Like during this period, whoever the customers bought the license from Oracle team till R9, both in on-premise and cloud model, Oracle sold their product team. But post that, from release 10 onwards team, Fusion applications are purely on the cloud model. There is no on-premise model in the Fusion applications team. Purely now onwards, from release 10 onwards team, the Oracle applications are available only in the cloud model. There is no on-premise. Okay. From release 13 onwards team, Oracle decided to make this release version as static. Okay, in the year 2017 or close to 2018 team, this version came in Fusion applications, 2017 and close to 18. Since that point of time, Oracle decided that going forward, we will not change this version number for Fusion. We want to make this R13 as a static version number for Fusion team. So you are learning in 2023 now. Going forward in future, whatever the years that we are going to work for on this technology, Fusion applications version will be R13. They are not going to change. That is what the decision that Oracle came up. They are not going to change the release 13 version going forward team. Then how they will maintain the upgradation every time when it is happening, what is the subsequencing team, and what is the upgradation policy basically our Fusion applications following. Let us see team. Oracle will follow team quarterly upgradation policy. Oracle will have quarterly upgradation policy. What do you mean by quarterly upgradation policy, Kumar? Every year, how many quarters we have in a year team? We have 4 quarters in the year. Each 3 months, we will call it as a quarter. So every year, as 4 quarters, we have 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. How many times in a year Oracle upgrade their application? 4 times in the year Oracle upgrade their application team. First, let me go to the current application, what we are having team. As I told, we have to log in this way. And if you come to this right side here team, settings and action, click on this one. You can see here team, a bar will, a pop-up will come. If you scroll down, at bottom, you have something called about this application. So let me first take out what is the latest version of our Fusion application. And I will try to explain team. So if I go to about this application, I can see the version team, Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications, and there is some numbering coming. See, 23p 11.13.23. Let me paste it here first of all. So what is this version? I will tell you. And Kumar, you are telling Fusion applications are in R13. Where it is? C team. In this development framework, we can see REL 13, release 13. Then middleware extension, if you see also REL 13. Okay. Then database compatibility, if you see also REL 13. Okay. Release 13. Then what is this 23B and some number came 11.13.23.04. As I am telling team, every year 4 times Oracle is going to provide upgradation to their application. And each quarter in the year, they're designating into alphabets team A, B, C, and D. So quarter A, Oracle designates as alphabet A. Quarter 2, Oracle designates it alphabet B. Quarter 3 as alphabet C. And D as, fourth quarter as D. So first quarter is what team? Jan to March. Then second quarter is team April to June. Then third quarter team July to September. Then fourth quarter team October to December. So like this team, Oracle divides the entire calendar into 4 quarters and they designates each quarter into alphabets like this. This is quarter 1. This is quarter 2, quarter 3. Okay. And then this is quarter 4. These are the 4 quarters that which Oracle designates as A, B, C, D in the system team. Now, every quarter, every 3 months, once Oracle upgrade their application, like how our softwares in the, what happens usually team in our mobile, if the software upgrades from, let's say, Android 7.2 to 7.5 or iOS 10.1 to 11.2, whenever a software is getting updated in the application or in the mobile, what happening in your mobile team? The usability of the application enhances. I mean, new features will come, some new options will come, some existing options will be removed which are unused in the system to make the application or the software more better or enhanceable way. In the Fusion applications also team, Oracle invests a lot in their research and development. Oracle will take feedbacks in a timely manner from all the clients or the customers who using the product. In real time, whatever the new features that clients expecting in the application, any existing bugs are there in the system, they will fix that one. So every upgrade that Oracle giving to their application team, some new enhancement in the application will come. So it won't impact our existing functionalities team. A kind of basic level enhancemental features will come in the system every quarter to quarter. So how that sequencing will be Oracle giving team? What is the current version if you are seeing the Fusion applications team? R13, okay, release 13 2023B means what? We are in which quarter team? We are in the month of May in the year 2023. May comes under which quarter? April, May, June in the second quarter in the year team. So 23 stands for team, the year, the financial year in which we are in 2023, and in the second quarter upgrade the current application we are in team. 23B means 2023 in the second quarter the upgrade we are in. So between April, May and June, this quarterly upgrade will come team. So now the latest version of the Fusion application is team 23B. Prior to that, in the month of January, February, March, our application was 23A. Then next, in July, August, September, our application will upgrade with the version number as 23C, then 23D. Then next year, it will come as 24A, 24B, okay, then 24C, then 24D. Prior to 23 team, last year, the sequencing are like 22D, 22C, 22B, and 22A. Every year, 4 upgrades Oracle will come up to their application team. For each upgrade, okay, the sequence they will follow will be in this way. The current financial year in which we are in and the quarterly names A, B, C, D. That is about team. So if anyone asks you, what is the current version of your application, in which application you are training, tell them we are in 23B, release 13, 23B. Now team, Kumar, what happens every quarterly upgrade that Oracle coming with? You are telling some new enhancements will come, some new features will come, some existing features will be removed from the system which are unused. Okay, what activities we have to perform? If let's suppose we are in the implementation time with the client, or we are on the support project who are supporting the client project, what are the activities that we have to perform as a consultants who working on this application team? Okay, who are in the project for the client, we have to be first of all educated with what new features coming in this upgrade. Okay, what are the new enhancements coming in this upgrade? What are the new features coming in this upgrade? So we have to prepare a document team that we will call it as impact analysis document, and we have to present to the client. Like see, in this quarterly upgrade, these new features are coming. And we don't have any impact with these new features in our current existing functionalities. Anything that you want to opt for the new features, let us know. We will enable these features in the system. Like that team, we have to prepare some impact analysis document with the new features what coming in the system by Oracle. We have to explain them over the call, and certain testings also we have to perform team. We will call them as regression testing, impact analysis testing. Like whenever application is upgrading team, client will tell us, our client will identify what are the most day-to-day used transactions in the system. Before testing, before upgradation, after upgradation, we have to test the application team, whether application working fine or not, any issues encountered after the upgrade. There is an activity, the entire upgradation activity team, that I will cover in our workshop session on real-time implementation and support project discussion. When I'm going to talk about implementation phases and the support project, what we are going to do in that. During that time, I will explain you what will be the activities that we have to perform in the quarterly upgradation time. As of now, it is not required team. Okay. So I'm telling that every year 4 times Oracle upgrade the application, and the version sequencing Oracle will follow. This is the pattern. Now, what is this Kumar then? 11.13.23.04. Here team, 11 stands for 2011 team. Okay, the year in which Oracle introduced the applications in the market, 2011. 13 stands for release 13, whatever the release version of the application team. 23 stands for the current financial year in which we are in. We are in 2023, right? That is 23. 04 stands for we are in which quarterly upgrade team? We are in second quarter upgrade, 23B. In the second quarter, what is the start month? April. April month in the numbering sequence, if you tell me 1 to 12, April is what team? Fourth month. That is 04. So the sequence also, the numbering in the sequence version will follow this pattern team. 11 stands for 2011. 13 stands for release 13. 23 stands for the current year in which we are in, 2023. 04 stands for this is second quarter upgrade in the 2023. So the second quarter, first month is what? April. April means what? 04. That is the sequence team. So this is what Fusion Environment Policy team. And what will be the sequencing or the version number sequence that Oracle will follow, or the pattern Oracle will follow, we have discussed it so far team. Okay. Now, let us talk about what are the modules we are having in the Fusion application team. What are the modules? Modules of Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM applications. So this is our technology or the tool which we are going to learn team, Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM applications. So in this particular tool or in this particular application, what are the modules we have in the system in total? Let us understand. And also team, many of you having a doubt here. Kumar, what comes under functional? What comes under technical in the application? What we have to learn, or how the job profiles in the market is there? Functional consultant, if I go, do we have openings? Or technical consultant, if I go, do we have openings? Techno-functional, if I go, both, what could be the demand for that? And also, any prerequisites are required, like any SQL, PLSQL prerequisites are needed. That all we will see here now, team. So when we are going to talk about the modules in the Fusion application team, these are the modules we have in the system. Okay, let me list out them. We have something called team Global HR, or you can call it as Core HR team. Global Human Resource or Core Human Resource. Then team, we have a module called Absence Management. Okay. Then we have something called team Payroll Management, Oracle Payroll. And then team, we have something, a module called talent management team. Okay, we have something called a talent management. So in talent management team, we have again sub modules in that, like we have profile management. Then we have something called goals management. Then we have something called performance management. Then we have succession management, etc. like that thing. Okay. Within talent management module, we have some sub components which have to be discussed. Either you can call them all together one module, or some of the companies will call differently. Profile management is separate module, goal management, performance is separate. But if you ask me, all together, I will tell there comes under talent suite. Okay. And then team, we have the modules like compensation management. And here team, compensation, and we have one more module called team benefits. These are two different modules team. Okay. But usually as a common practice to name them or to call them, we will call together as compensation and benefits. But these two are two different modules in the system team. And we have something called OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. And some of the advanced modules came in the system team. They are OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. What is that? Oracle Learning Cloud, OLC. Okay. Then team, we have the modules like ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Okay. Then we have something called a team help desk and safety, okay, etc. So these are the typical modules we have in the Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. A part of this team, we have some other concepts also to discuss. What are they? Let us see team. Okay. A part of these modules, what are they? I will tell you team. A part of these modules, we have also some other concepts in the system team. What are they? We have something called security administration. Okay. And then we have something called team workflows and approval. Workflows and approvals. And then team, we have something called sandbox. Okay. Sandbox. Nothing but personalizations. Okay. And customizations in the system. We have a concept called a sandbox in the system team. Okay. We have these concepts. And a part of this team, okay, we have some other concepts like inbound integration team. Inbound integration team. And we have something called outbound integrations. Okay. In inbound integration team, we have again some of the tools like HDL, that stands for HCM data loader, then SDL, spreadsheet data loader. Like that, we have a couple of components team. And in outbound integrations also, we have a couple of tools available. Okay, like BI reports, okay, or OTBI reports, or HCM extracts. These are the components that comes under outbound integration team. And this is security, workflows, sandbox, inbound integration, outbound integration. And we have something called team fast formulas also. So fast formula, you cannot call it as a separate component because this concept we will use across different modules team, like in absence module, in payroll, in compensation and benefits and OTL, this component we are going to use. But just as one of the concept in the system, which is important, I mentioned team. So these are the total components or the modules in the Fusion HCM cloud applications we have team. Now coming to the functional and technical bifurcation. What comes under functional and what comes under technical? See team, all these modules comes under functional side of the application team. All these modules comes under the functional side of the application team. Even along with these modules, if you ask me, security, workflows, and sandbox, these concepts also team, I can group under functional only. But if you see in the market, from the point of job profile or from the point of any training institutes offering this course, they will include these concepts in the technical side of the application. But if you ask me what Oracle telling actually is, these are also part of functional only team. But as a kind of bifurcation to be maintained in the services offering in the market, some of the organizations will consider these components into technical. But if you ask me, these also will be taken care by the functional consultants only in the organization team. So these all modules and these are part of functional. So this again a question. You can consider it under functional or you can consider it under technical. But the core technical concepts in the system are these aspects team. The core technical components in the system are these aspects team. Inbound integration and outbound integrations and fast formulas. These comes under the technical side of the application team, and this comes under the functional side of the application. So what we are going to see in these modules, let me just give a quick walkthrough of each of the concept team. So in the core HR module team, we are going to define all the clients' organizations data in the system. And basically team, employee management will be handled in the core HR module. Like all our clients' organization, how many companies they have, across how many countries they are operating, what are their operating units, what are their departments, different types of jobs, locations, grades, position you will configure, and employee hiring and maintaining of an employee will be handled in core HR team, like hiring of an employee, their transfers, promotions, terminations, resignations, rehiring. The entire employee management will be handled in the core HR module team. Then we have absence management module. As we know, in every organization team, companies will provide different types of leaves to their employees. That entire leave management we will handle in the absence management module in the Fusion system team, like configuring the leaves with the respective policies, yearly how many days we are going to provide, how employee can apply the leave in the system. That entire leave management will handle in absence module team. Then we have payroll module, like every month, or if a company follow weekly policy or some will follow bi-weekly policy, whatever the work that they performed in the organization, companies have to pay salaries to them, right? So that processing of salaries will be taken care in the payroll management module team. Then we have talent management. So in every company, we will be coming across the performance evaluation team, like whatever the work he performed for that year, managers or HRs will review them on that work. They will provide their respective ratings. And then employee promotion or demotion, their salary hikes will be decided team. That employee evaluation will be taken care in this particular talent management module. Okay. Then we have compensation and benefits team, which are again associated with the payroll management only, like any kind of overtime, shift allowances, or kind of bonus payments, or any stocks or shares that company want to allocate to the employee. That all components how to process to the employee will be dealt in compensation management team. A part of regular salary, any other benefits that you want to pay to the employee, that will handle in compensation team. Then any kind of insurances employee to be enrolled with, the benefits plans will be there, which we will assign to the employee team. That all we will handle in benefits module. Then we have OTL team. Like in every company, time recording will be happen. It might be different way, like punch in, punch out missions will be used, or swipe in, swipe out. When we enter into the company, we have to swipe the card and we have to enter. Or something like timesheet filling. Every week, employee have to fill the timesheet. So the entire time management of the employee recording in the system will handle in this Oracle time and labor module team. Then we have Oracle Learning Cloud. What is this team? See, if you have experienced this one, in any company, when you join, companies will ask you to log in into certain web links and they ask you to complete the mandatory trainings. And then and there itself, they will provide some questions, quizzes, and you have to complete that mandatory trainings during the onboarding time, right? So all that creating of courses, assigning to the employee, conducting the online exams to the employees, that all can be handled in Oracle Learning Cloud team. Then we have Oracle Recruiting Cloud as a module in the system. What we are going to do here, team, in Recruiting Cloud. Earlier, organizations used to use Oracle Taleo as an application for conducting all the recruiting activities team. Like business will identify the job requirement. They will reach out to the HR for whatever to say, filling of that particular position. Then HR team will reach out to the job portals, raise the requisitions, get the profiles, schedule the interview, conduct the interview, release the offers. These all recruiting activities team will be handled in Oracle Recruiting Cloud. And help desk and safety is other additional modules team. Usually, none of the clients in the market will use these modules, so you can ignore it. But it's a kind of internal ticketing tool within the Fusion application team. Help desk is. So these are the modules we have in the Fusion HCM cloud application team. And we have something called security administration. So what we are going to discuss in security team. See now, when I came to the application team, when I'm trying to log in, there is a user ID and password which asked me to provide. I have provided my user ID and password and I have logged in into the system team. How that user account creation and the access in the application will be provisioned to the employees team, that will be handled in the security administration. Then there is something called workflows and approvals. What is this team? See, in every company, there will be an approvals concept involved. Like let's suppose team, if an employee applying the leave today, it should go for concerned manager for approval. Once he approves, it should go for second level manager for approval. So this approval setup in the Fusion system will be configured in the workflows and approvals area team. That is covered in workflows and approvals. We have a concept for that purpose. And then we have a concept called sandbox team. What is that? Any personalizations or customization to the application you want to do. My client is telling, Kumar, I want to change this logo. I don't want this logo. Please place my company's logo here. Or I want to change the theme of the application. I don't want this blue color with these dots coming here. I want some other background theme. Or I don't want the fonts to be like this. Please rename the font. This is my client group. I want to rename with some other name. Or I want to, or I want to change these icons. Or within the system, when we enter into any screen, any page level customizations, if my client asking to do, that all we can do in this concept of sandbox team. Here only we have something called Design Studio also coming in the system, HCM Design Studio. That all we will talk in the sandbox classes team. And then team, coming to the technical side of the application, inbound and outbound integration, I'm telling. What is this inbound integration team in the Fusion application? Any data from the outside Fusion application, if you want to upload into the system, inbounding into the system, that we will call it as inbound integration team. For example, let's suppose team, Tata is our client for whom we are going to implement the Oracle application team. So before Oracle application in 2023, now Oracle Tata Group buying Oracle application. Till this time, they might be using SAP SuccessFactors or SAP HCM as a HR tool team. Now Tata Group is having some 30,000 employees in their organization. They want to migrate that data from the legacy SAP system to Fusion application. How it can be done? Manually, I cannot hire 30,000 employees in my core HR module, right? That cannot be done. So there should be certain rapid data migration tools in the system. Not only the legacy data team, within the Fusion application also, any setups or the configurations you are implementing, if you have a kind of large data that has to be created, you want to bulk upload them into the system. So any sort of data that you want to bulk upload into the system, inbounding into the system, Oracle given us two data migration tools like HCM data loader HDL and SDL spreadsheet data loader team. By using these two rapid data migration tools, we can bulk upload any sort of data into the Fusion system. That is inbound integration team. Then we have outbound integration. What is this team? Let's say team, we configure the system, all the modules we implemented, we hand over the system to our client Tata Group. Now they are going to use this application in their day-to-day life. Now my client is asking, Kumar, can you please give me a report in the month of May, how many employees joined in the organization? Or in the month or in the last quarter, last 3 months, how many employees resigned their jobs and left the organization? Or in this month, how many employees applied annual leave in the system? Or what is the salaries that I processed in this current month? It could be of anything, any data that your client want in the form of reports from the system. The outbound integration will come into the picture. So these are the reporting tools available within our HCM cloud application team. BI reports, business intelligence report, OTBI, Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, HCM extracts. These are the three reporting tools Oracle given us in the HCM cloud applications team to build the report and extract the data from any of these modules in the system team. That is called as outbound integration. From the Fusion application, the data is extracting, outbounding, right? That we will call as outbounding. And we have something called fast formulas. In absence, in payroll, in compensation and benefits, in OTL team, across the modules, in order to have any rules configured, any calculations or any validations that we want to set up, Oracle given us a concept called a fast formula in our HCM applications too. So these are the total concepts we have in our HCM. There is no other concept which I left out in the HCM cloud applications team. So these comes under functional and these comes under the technical side of the application. Now coming to prerequisites, anything is required, Kumar, to learn this particular technology. For learning these functional modules, and here also these aspects, we don't require any sort of SQL or PLSQL requirement team. In the only outbound integrations part in the technical side, in this BIP report or in the extracts, we require SQL language team. So the only requirement within the Fusion cloud applications, if at all you want to work on BIP reports and extracts, you require the SQL language team. But now, Kumar, anyone who learning this technology, will they learn all the things in the system? Never team. No one in the market will know all the modules or all the technical side. If you want to start your career, not only starting the career, if you want to sustain in the career also in this technology for next 10 or 15 years, you no need to learn all the things in the system. At least 4 to 5 modules on the functional side and some of the technical concepts. If you are not well versed with SQL team, if you are not well versed with SQL team, skip these concepts, not required. We don't mention this in our profile team. Now, what is the job requirements currently that market looking for? What kind of designations that we have to be trying for? As I told you, there is a clear-cut differentiation in the market in HCM applications, Oracle Fusion applications, like functional consultants, then technical consultants, and the highest or the most demandable, that is techno-functional consultants. As of now, if you ask me, team, market is very clear in recruiting the people in all the three profiles team. If you are a core functional guy, Kumar, I want to learn only some 3 to 4 modules on functional side and I want to drop my resume. Fine. Only functional consultant also companies will recruit. Or Kumar, I want to go only with technical side. I want to learn these concepts. I'm very well versed with SQL or these languages and I can write my queries. I can build the reports, everything. I want to go as a technical. Then okay, you can go as technical consultant. Then the most demanded profile in the market team, techno functional, because team, unlike e-business suite, before Fusion, whatever the applications we have, EBS. In EBS team, the technical people role is very high to use the EBS application. But in Fusion applications, Oracle standardized the application team. The usability of technical or the scope of technical is very minimal. A functional consultant only can also work on technical side. That is the beauty of Fusion applications team. A functional consultant can only work on technical side. So if a person learn this technology from the point of both functional, like 4 to 5 modules on the functional side and 2 to 3 concepts in the technical side, if they learn, and if they place the profile as a techno-functional consultant, the demand is very high for this profile team. Why? Because in a project, rather taking 2 people, if I take one person who can do both, company-wise, my salary expense or the costing wise, I will be benefitable. So companies are looking on a techno-functional perspective. But again, Kumar, I'm not understanding the technical aspects much. I'm not that kind of techie guy. I want to go with only functional. And that is also fine. Still, we have very clear-cut recruitment happening in the market. But if you learn or if you place your profile in this way, you have a bit of advantage compared to going individually team. That is about the market situation on this technology if anyone want to start their career team. Coming to the training aspect, like what we are going to cover as part of this training team and how many days that this program is designed for. Every day, what will be the timings? Let me explain you here team. So coming to the training team, it is going to be a techno-functional training. The modules like core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. The 5 modules will be covered as part of the training team. Any additional required OTL or benefits, we will support with the video sessions. Okay, whatever the other batches or the special batches that we have taken, we are going to support you on that. But it cannot be covered in the live because the course duration that what we set for almost now only it will be reaching to 2.5 to maximum of 3 months by covering these 5 modules. So we cannot include them in the current curriculum as part of live, but still we are going to support you with the videos team. So the live aspects, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, in the talent profile, goals, performance, all these things, and compensation. These 5 modules will be covered as part of functional team. And coming to the other side, security, we were going to cover, workflows, we are going to cover, sandbox and personalizations, this also will be covered, and these entire technical things like inbound integration, HDL, spreadsheet data loader, then outbound integrations, BIP reports, OTBI reports, extracts, and fast formula. This entire set will be covered team. In the modules, 5 of the functional modules will be covered. And be keeping in the mind, whenever you want to place your profile also, I don't tell that all the modules you learn. No, it might be a bit difficult at initial stage to understand each and every module team. At least 3 to 4 modules you be ready team, like core HR, absence, payroll, talent. At least these 4 modules. Along with that, security, workflow, sandbox, and in the technical side team, if you don't know SQL, skip this one. Within this, OTBI you can learn team. Without SQL, OTBI you can learn. So you can learn OTBI, then inbound integrations you can learn, HDL spreadsheet team. So if you learn these components on the technical side team, even then you can place your profile as a techno-functional consultant. So this I will talk about one-to-one once we start the program, once we continuing the sessions, whenever the placement activities comes, I will explain you what are the prioritized things we have to keep it in the profile, everything team that we can talk later. Now coming to the program, how many days it is going to be. As I told team, it will be techno-functional training and the curriculum that I have explained now. And the duration of the course will be for team 2.5 months. And the total hours will be close to 85 plus or 90 hours program it will be in total. Okay. 90 hours of program we are going to 90 hours of duration, the total program will be team, which will be covered in a span of 2.5 months. And every day it will be Monday to Friday. Today is a demo. We planned on weekend team, Saturday, but sessions will be every day, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. People, if you are from different time zone, from US or Middle East or UK, if you are joining, please check the timings accordingly with the admin team. Monday to Friday, morning 7 to 8 a.m., the sessions will be conducted team. Weekday batch it is. Duration will be for 2.5 months and total number of hours will be close to 90 hours. And within that team, what you are going to get? Every day, whatever the sessions we are going to conduct, let's suppose if you miss the session team, you couldn't able to attend because of your busy schedule. Every day sessions will be recorded and it will be shared to your team. Lifetime access to videos you are going to get here. Kumar, where I can access the videos of yours? Will you share as a regular drive link? We can't have a track of them if you share the links every day. How come? We have our own LMS portal team. You can go to our website, TrioTechSoftwareTrainings.com. Then you will be given with your login here. You can log into the portal. Okay. Then you can pass your user ID and password and you can click on login. So you will be getting created with a dashboard team. Okay. In the dashboard with your email, when you log in, you can go to your enrolled courses. Here you can see your course, whatever the course it is to you. You can go to that course and every day team sessions will be uploaded here, topic wise. What is the topic is about sessions. You can click on that and you can access that video here on the right side. The password will be shared later part of time. But here is the place where you can access team. And this portal access will be there for you for lifetime. Okay. And coming to the Oracle server access, we have to practice. What about the lab access, Kumar? We are going to provide you the latest application access for practicing team. Server access will be given you for 5 months at free of cost. And when I mentioned server access team, we have a couple of servers available in the market, like demo instances, which will be very unstable. Every 3 days, every 1 week, the password will refresh and the data will refresh. Again, you have to configure entire data. But we will be providing the private server access for 5 months team, the dedicated server access, entire end-to-end configurations in all the modules, starting from core HR to compensation, technical stuff, anything you can practice in that team. Stable private environment access will be provided to you for 5 months. And this is videos for lifetime. Along with this team, we are going to provide you all the materials for each module. When I say materials, it consists of step-by-step manuals for the configuration team. Let's say if I take core HR module, I have some 30 to 40 configurations which I have to do. A detailed step-by-step manual will be there. You will be provided with the access to the materials folder team. If I go to my drive, you can see TrioTech HCM batch materials. All modules materials will be placed in this folder team. So if I go to, let's say core HR, okay, and if I open any of the material here team, you can see Oracle standard materials and also our own custom materials also will be there team. I think this folder is not updated now, but you can see if I open here, it's taking some time to load. Like step by step with screenshots, team, it's not opening in the drive like this. with step by step, okay, with screenshots and navigations, everything, the material will be given for all the modules, not only for the core HR, for absence, for payroll, with their explanation, everything team. Along with these materials, we are also going to provide you the assignments for each module team. For every 15 days, for every module team, we are going to provide you the real-time assignments where you can submit your assignments team. If you come to our folders of Drive, our recent HCM materials, this is, and then see, this is the recent batch assignments people are going to submit team. This is the recent batch where it is. If you come to February, okay. So people who will be interested, they can submit their assignments team. Okay, within that you can find each person how they are submitting their assignments with the questions that we are providing to them. So this is the ongoing activity team. For each module, we are going to provide you the set of assignments where you can submit back and we can evaluate team. And also for each module, we are going to provide you the set of interview questions and answers team. So when I say question and answers team, it's not only the basic questions or the fresher interview questions. Both fresher as well as the experienced interview questions also will be shared to your team. So that will be coming as part of the materials team. And this is what the sessions will be. So today is a demo session team. Our next session will be on Monday. Okay, that will be on 29th May. At the same time, you can join with the same link team. So Monday also you can join the session with the same link. And if anyone want to contact me, you can reach out to me on this number. Okay. Many of you, I think we have your details, but if anyone directly attending the demo, please reach out to us on this number team. The number that which I mentioned. Okay, let me remove this 91. You can make a note of this and you can reach out to us, or you can place your number in the chat box also. Like you are having the chat box, I'm placing this number in the chat. You can find it here, team. Okay. Okay, or you can reach out to our team in this number. They will confirm you about the enrollment process, everything team. So this is about the course offerings we are going to support your team. So along with this materials and everything team, we also help you with resume preparation. In fact, we are going to prepare the resumes for you, and then every Saturday and Sunday team, we ideally conduct the mock interviews. Whoever the interested candidates, once the training gets completed, they can reach out to us after the resume preparation, where you can appear for the mock interviews also every Saturday and Sunday team. And usually every month, companies will reach out to us team for the trained profiles. It might be fresher profiles or it might be experienced profiles, like 3 years experience, 4 years experience, like that. So once the mock interviews are conducted, team, whatever the candidate performance as per their performance that we feel comfortable, we will also share the profiles to the company's team to get the interview scheduled. So in the last 1 month, for a company called DriveStream, a Chennai-based company, 6 of our freshers got placed in that company team. Like that, every month, companies will come to us and we will share the profiles to them. They will preferably ask for trained profiles rather than taking a fresher. If a trained fresher, if they take, they can easily map them to the project. So that placement support activities also we are going to provide you along with the training team. So this is about the entire course offering in the system. I mean, about the course offerings team. Now, in the next session team on Monday, today I have not covered all the topics in the demo what we planned for. I have to talk about this Fusion or Oracle knowledge repository and certification process team. On Monday, we will talk about this first of all team. Introduction to the knowledge repository, where we can find the Oracle documentation, then Oracle certification process, how it will be. And then team, I will start with introduction to the application team. Like when we log in into the system, how to log in into the system, what this area will be called as, what are these different functionalities. And when a customer buy the product, how many application URLs the customer will be delivered with, like what is production environment, what is development environment, or what is test environment. That we will take up in the next session on Monday, team. Okay. So any questions as such in today's demo, online people? Anusha, timings 8 to 9 a.m. is not possible. No, Anusha, the timings will be 7 to 8 a.m. for this particular batch. We can discuss that offline, no problem. And in related to technical, any page customization like EBS form personalization, yes, Bala, we are going to cover that one. That comes under this particular sandbox topic. Like when we are going to talk about the sandbox, we are going to see that page customizations. Okay. Any questions in today's topics that we discuss it in?
No, thank you.
Hello, Kumar.
Yes.
No, Kumar.
What about the calls in current situation?